Today at Nitya Bazar in the powered Formula medicine place, focusing on strengthening the movement for community rights and commemorating a key historical date for the region. The events in Nitya Bazar show a strong turnout and features the presence of several prominent leaders, including the Honorable Chief Executive Members Sri Purnachandra Jamatia. He was joined by Block President Sri Shobkumar Jamatia, Tipra Block President Ratnamal Jamatia, Sri Krishna Chatan Jamatia, and others key dignitaries. The central theme of the program was to first to energize and reinforce the ongoing movement for community rights, and second, to honor the historic Marja Day. This day marks the signing of the agreement by Maharani Kanchan Prabhadevi, an event of profound significance to the people of Tipra. The leaders emphasize the importance of unity and struggle starting from the base level in a move that further underscored the momentum of the political movement. The gathering also witnessed a round of joining. Three families comprising a total of 9 voters officially joined the Tipra Motha party at the event. This latest influx of support is being highlighted by the party leaders as a clear indication of the growing strength and unity of the party movements at the grassroots level in South Bormara region. The Tipra Motha party leadership has started that this joining others bolsters their passport for the rights and welfare of the indigenous community driven by the historical legacy they commemorate today. Bureau Report TTTV.
Like hambai, ini tentang soal mulai recyclation ni berada macam program ini begini parti ya kerana bukan parti BJP CEM ya kerana sini Tipra Motha tin family noi butar joining berkaitan berono sini Tipra Motha parti nengai kabai kubai bagi kota nengai te parti nengai langsung borok ini sini bubagrani lahar wan chom muno baksa kelai ngai terus karena sini Tipra satu kali adhikar nanti coba kali ini borok sini Tipra Motha parti ini joining kai peka ani bangai bilai ke hambai tebe cara tahu pernah sini Tipra Motha parti kai itu kali bangai sama tanggul tanai ini wansuk penai lono jenggo media di bisiki komuna ni musuh kai di sini bukan ni wansuk mungkin sini Tipra sani adhikar no daiki nalai nani bagai coba kai tadi yang presiden kai bagai ini kau jauh tadi ke jengjo tu saya mana begini parti tongoi sini dok kai bagai kau saya meya abang jeng recently jeng luka je sini di perasaan no hatar hari payuro ini sama di rok kena cak jeng bilai ke duko nanggu je omahai statement of no way jeng hari besar sini Maharani Kanchan Prabhadevi ini hai chalo no Bharat bochu bai gaine hene sign khai mani merger agreement khai mani tini hani nok phang engoi bo Bharat bochu bai gaine hene soiro jeng hani nok phang hani besar ono si tini ke phatar hani phairo hene chajagoi tongmani lekhi chini bagoi dukho nango bini party tongnai congress tongnai CPM tongnai BJP tongnai chini Tipra neta rok tabok bud kuno ekta kok samaya miapro jeng nokha amra bangle party ni engoi borok je omahai statement oman no borok support khai tong je Tipra rok phatar hani phayo borok nini Barmani phayo Bangladesh ni phayo ni samano dini bu amra bangle party neta rok sawi tong je Tipra rok no phatar hani si phayo ni sini history no sini live manas laina ni bangai je borok sati oi tong mani ama sungjo to jonogon sikhai অথচ চিনি তাবক যারা বিজেপি ও Tipra নেতা তংনাই যারা সিপিএম ও Tipra নেতা তংনাই যারা কংগ্রেস ও Tipra নেতা তংনাই র তাবকবো ও কগনো গসই সামায়া যে চিন ফাতা হানি ফাইয়া চিনি হানি নক ফাংনি ngoi চিনি রানি সিথাংoi ইন্ডিয়া বাই দাই তং সয়রলাই তং যে বরংনি বসায়া বরংनि বুসু নাই borok soi ro ya sini mahna ni si soi ro ya orno chung proman omo chung khani busa ni proman no mani ya omo hai choban no ham jau tini je phainai dong no bilai ke ani byaktigoto te party ni ngui te bubagrani ngui lamso bilai ke